Welcome to the Real New Zealand Adventures Life in New Zealand daily vlog. Good morning, it is the 8th of February, day 946. Bit of a storm last night, got a bit of rain but not much. I'd say it's enough to make the grass grow, so we've got to mow the lawns again.
Yeah.
Just enough. We're heading down to Nana and Grandad's now. Apparently they're ripping up carpet, are they?
Yep, ripping up carpet and taking out a window and starting on putting a wall in.
Good start.
Yeah.
Hopefully they're finished by the time we get there, but I doubt it. I'd say they're drinking coffee. Right, we'll go down and have a coffee too. Come on, you three. In you get. Colton's got his art, because look at it.
Nowhere near finished.
No way near finished. Are you going to be finished by Monday when you go back to school?
No.
No.
Feels moist. It's going to be real muggy today, eh?
Yep.
Unless the wind picks up.
As long as Nana gets air conditioning going in the house. Oh, they don't have air conditioning yet.
Who's inside?
Staples on the floor.
It happens.
Oh, don't walk around on that on your bare feet.
Yeah. Thought I could use this for
Patching holes.
That's good.
Oh, like a weed mat. Alright, last few, and then we're done with that.
Oh, finally finished. You think you got them all? Oh no, here's one. Oh no, there's one over here.
And
No one
you got
over
a
here.
spotter telling you?
Huh?
You got someone in there telling
that was good. There was like a gazillion of those little staples and nails, and then there's big staples all bent over. And
Yep.
bit of a shoddy job.
We're cutting wood
Where's that going?
in the old door frame.
Oh, yep, you're filling that up, eh?
Yeah.
Eh? Yeah, because you put a new door in.
Our table keeps moving a bit. Oh, thank you.
Since we've been slaving away.
Yeah.
Oh, it's thermonuclear. What's happening, Harvey?
Are you supposed to build with a hammer that big?
What do you laugh at?
It's like it's got G-strings on.
What happened?
Yeah, right.
Money.
Money! I found 10 cents before.
Bloody hell! Mine all come falling down.
Why is it in the walls?
Well, I told you where gangsters hide their money.
Well, we got 10-cent piece and a 5-cent piece.
A 1 shilling. Right, now I can get that bit off.
Oh, look at this stuff. That's weird. That's like got a material backing on it too.
It is weird.
All sort of wallpapery stuff. Look out. Oh. The end of it. Yeah, but if we pulls that down.
Some of these cobwebs are older than you, Harley.
That'd be older than you, Ben.
Say.
Alright, they can go to the garage too, Riley.
Yep.
Got it?
Why are you scared of cobwebs?
Actually,
Pull
there's a
these
spider
nails out.
attached to them. Dusty cobwebs. Gotta get those nails out too.
Yeah.
Door frame out.
Who
Oh, there's one up here.
in their right mind chose that wallpaper? Who went into the shop and said, yes, I'll have that wallpaper?
It's probably all the rage in the 70s. 70s? Would it be 70s?
1870s. Hang on a minute.
Hang on a minute. What?
They're boxing those two up.
Yep.
Is that still going to be a doorway?
Yeah.
This, no.
This is a wall and this is a wall, and then it's just a big hallway.
It's going to be open. And a door's going here,
Oh, yep.
and that's going to be a hallway, and they're just going to make cupboards out to this, because they can't take out this bit. They're going to make cupboards out to there.
Oh, I get it now.
So what? Drop saw and electric cable.
Electric
ring back.
cable.
Oh, get your shoes.
Because we were playing Powershot tonight.
Coffeed and lunched. We need drop saw and electrical tape. Not electrical tape, electrical cabling.
Cable. I was like, what did you just say?
Yeah. Right, let's load this car up, get back down. Some of that. Some of this, thanks to A&J Fasteners. We're going to try this on the right side to see if it runs a bit smoother.
Yeah. Look at it. Getting there.
It'll all fall down, just this door frame will stay there. That's better. Oh, it is. Can't see it on this angle because of the
Light.
light.
I seen whereabouts he put it in the first place, so I knew exactly where it was.
It's there. Exactly there.
What have you got? Nom nom nom.
So we'll come back
Work you've
tomorrow.
been doing.
We'll come back tomorrow and the wall will be up.
Yeah. And the window will be up.
Yep.
Didn't quite get there today.
You're coming back about 4 o'clock.
Yeah. How come you kids got ice cream? You didn't do any work.
Yeah.
I did do work.
What work did you do?
Riding my bike.
Oh.
Riding your bike.
Are you riding your bikes home or leaving them here?
No, they can ride them home.
No.
Riley did.
There's a car in my way.
There is a car in your way.
There you go. Oh, changing gear into handles again. Faster, 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 faster. Faster.
Colton.
Get out of my way, Harley. Dad's parking in there. Get out. Look out. Dad's parking in there. Move. Oh, I got a wet butt.
What? For your pants.
No, our seat's wet.
Where was Harley going by the mailbox?
I don't know. He saw Riley swing out wide to go up,
He
and he
thought
went
he
out
had to.
real wide. And then he ran into the back of Colton. Do you know what I'm looking forward to?
A proper cup of coffee?
Yes, and the roast I've had in the crock pot all day.
Oh,
Woo!
yes.
Wild pork.